wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah! And welcome back to Dream Again. Kids, can you see what I have here? It's my piano. On it we can play music. The piano is a musical instrument on which we can learn to play music. I personally love dancing to music or listening to music, but I also like to play, even if I'm not the best. However, I do know that playing an instrument takes a lot of work and practice. And what I know too is I get really excited when I learn a song and then I can play it. It's so much fun. Now, while the piano is just one of many musical instruments, the piano might not be an instrument you like. So, what are some other instruments? Let's check in with Noah and Olivia.
We're doing show and tell.
Yeah, have you guys ever done show and tell before?
Show and tell for music.
Yeah, it's so neat.
Show and tell.
Show and tell.
Show and
Tell.
yay.
Tell and
show.
yay.
So what we're going to do actually is we're going to show you all of our instruments.
Yeah.
And we're going to tell you about it.
Ooh, sounds nice.
Yeah.
I really like show and tell.
Yeah,
It's
me
fun.
too.
Mm-hmm.
Do
you want to go first?
No, you start.
No, you start.
Oh, okay, I'll start. So here, kids, I have my piano, which I know you've seen me work on it, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to show it to you. This is my piano.
Ooh, very nice.
And you see the keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then up here it has piano, it has a guitar, and a trumpet.
Wow.
And then it has bird sounds, frog sounds, and dog sounds.
That's really
Yeah.
neat.
Bird,
See, birds.
Wow.
frog, dog,
Okay, and then I can change
numbers,
numbers.
1, 2, 3, 5, 4,
Okay, and then it also does
instruments,
Ooh.
Okay? And then the guitar.
violin,
Oh, violin. And then
trumpet,
that's it.
Ooh.
That's my instrument.
That's
here.
very nice.
I'm gonna turn it off now.
Okay.
Goodbye.
My
So
instrument.
that's mine.
That's
so-
really neat.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay, I was gonna say mine is I really like it, but mine does not have as many hold it up like this.
Okay.
So this is my guitar. Yeah, it's
Oh,
it sounds
sorry.
good, huh? No, it's okay. Boom boom. So yeah. Dun, 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 dun. So it's a 6-string guitar. So yeah, so that means I'm just gonna wait until he's done.
Oh, I'm sorry.
La la la.
Show and tell, right?
It's okay.
Show
Yeah.
and tell.
Well, I have to tell before I show.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Okay. So it's a.
Oh no.
Yeah. I know how a guitar works. So if I hold down all the strings, then he can't make a sound up there. Or at least only a very, very quiet sound. Yeah. So it's a 6-string guitar. So the strings go from, you can do the lowest one on top. That's the lowest one. And then on the very, very bottom, that's the highest one.
Wow.
And you can play it with 2 different styles. So you can play it like this. That's strumming. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Or you can play it like this. Oh, it's harder. That's finger picking.
That's picking.
Yep, finger picking. Yeah, picking. Yeah, and this is a really fun instrument because it can, well, your piano can too because it's little, but like a big piano couldn't. But this one can travel with you.
Yeah, you can take it anywhere.
Yeah, and you can take it to a campfire, and lots of people will learn to write music on guitars, and I think I would like to do that one day. So, yeah, that'd be very, very fun.
Yeah.
And it's got really cool flames on it.
Yeah.
I like that.
You actually composed our Dream Again song that way, didn't you?
Yeah, that was very, very fun. I liked that a lot.
Yep.
But you use your piano to make the other songs. Those are very, very nice.
Yeah, that's a little bit different.
Well, it's...
That's okay, though.
I think, I would say it's different, but it's like we're both making music, right?
Yeah, we're both making music.
Yeah.
We love music.
Yeah, we totally love music.
And
so,
we're pretty good together. When we sing together and we make our own music together, we're pretty good.
Yeah, I think we do really, really well. Really well. Mhm.
Yep.
Should we show them our other instruments?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right, so I'm going to put my guitar away.
Okay. So the next instrument that I have is, I have the horn.
Ooh, yeah, that is a horn. Am I right? Is that a French horn?
I think it
I
is.
think so. I'm not sure.
I think so. And you know they use these horns when they're hunting.
Ooh, can you blow in it?
Yep. This might be loud.
Woo! Wow, good job. It's very, very hard to blow in a horn and have it make a sound.
Yeah. Do you want to do that too?
Yeah, I want to try. Okay. Oops.
Oops. Sorry, I turned on our other piano.
That's okay. The piano could play with the horn.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, are you ready? Plug your ears just in case. 1, 2, 3.
Harder, louder, louder. No more. It's not easy, is it?
No, and I'm totally out of breath now.
Yeah.
Wow, I need to practice if I'm going to do that.
I guess
Got
I'll
it?
put that aside. I have it.
Okay. And then we also should we do them together?
Yeah, let's do the drums together.
Yeah.
So we both have drums.
Noah,
Whew,
look at my hair. I rocked so hard my bow flew out. Ooh, that's pretty funny, huh? Yeah. Wow.
So that's that.
That's lovely. Yeah, this one is much more basic than that one.
Yeah.
That was lovely, Noah.
Yeah, we went through all of our instruments.
Mhm.
Oh no!
Yeah.
This is also a piano.
This is a big one we can both play. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, ti, la, sol. No, I don't know anymore. Dun, 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 dun. I like it though, it's very good.
Yeah, that's a good song.
Oh, I was doing a different one. I was doing where you just do the one where you go do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Yep, that one.
Okay. And then, well, there's another one.
Ooh.
There's another instrument. You kind of just did it.
Oh, does it do a singing?
It's your voice.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I want to show to you kids. So for my show and tell, I want to present to you Olivia's voice.
La. No, so those are
la 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 la
back
la.
in there. It's your vocal cords, huh?
Yeah, right there.
So you go la 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 la.
La 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 la.
Yeah, it's hard, huh?
It is hard.
Yeah, I have to practice a lot more.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's really, really fun.
Yep.
I like when you do warm-ups, you go me, 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 me. And the warm-ups, when you do warm-ups, it doesn't matter if they sound good or bad, because the whole point of a warm-up is to make your vocal cords warm. It's not to make you sound beautiful. It's to it's so that you can get ready to sing beautiful.
Yep.
It's like stretches.
Yep.
Cool.
Okay, and then I have an idea.
What's your idea?
Mana mana.
Do, 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 do.
Mana mana.
Do, 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 do.
Mana mana.
Do, 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 do.
Do 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 do.
Do, 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 do. Manam, manam.
Ma do 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 do.
Manam, manam.
Do 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 do.
Manam, manam.
Do 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 do.
Woo!
And now together. Mana mana. Do 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 do. Mana mana. Do 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 do. Mana mana. Do 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 do.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Maybe I should start learning how to play the guitar. That would be pretty cool. Although, I like my piano even more. Well, kids, I need to start practicing for our next sing-along song. Enjoy it, dance to it, sing to it, and have yourself a happy musical day. Bye!
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the duck quacked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, a fiddle-dee-dee. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear slept by the clock. The clock struck four, he ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the frog hopped round the clock. The clock struck five, she went on a dive. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six, so fiddlesticks. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the cat ran round the clock. The clock struck seven, she wanted to get him. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the horse jumped over the clock. The clock struck eight, he ate some cake. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the cow danced on the clock. The clock struck nine, she felt so fine. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the pig joined at the clock. The clock struck 10, she did it again. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the hare looked at the clock. The clock struck 11, the hare said, oh heavens. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck noon, he's here too soon. Hickory dickory dock.
Hi, kids! If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.